I am Preeti, you're watching Boldsky. We all are really concerned about our skin, and one white goofy gel is best solution for all our skin concerns. Yes, we are talking about that plant which is ancient, evergreen and succulent, that is aloe vera plant. Aloe vera has been used as a great ingredient for herbal medicines and cosmetics from ancient age. And one of the best part and beneficial part of aloe vera is its leaf. The aloe vera leaf is long and succulent, which has got a potent gel called aloe vera gel. The most constituent of aloe vera gel is water content. It has got highest water content in it, hence it helps us to moisture our skin, it helps us to hydrate our skin. Hence aloe vera gel has been used in all the cosmetics and herbal industry to make it use as a cream or gel. So let us see how this aloe vera gel has been applied as a face mask using some natural ingredients. The ingredients which are required to prepare this face pack are turmeric, honey, rose water, aloe vera leaf. First we need to peel the aloe vera leaf. Before that you have to wash aloe vera leaf. Just watch carefully. Peel it from side. You have to peel the upper skin. Now take a bowl and take out all the gel. You can see the gel. We have to take a pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of honey, few drops of rose water. You have to blend the mixture. We have our ingredients ready and we have made the mixture as well. Before you apply this mixture, you have to wash your face with cold water and pat it dry with a nice towel. And now I am going to apply the mixture. With the help of a brush, I am applying it on my face. I am applying the mixture all over my face. You may feel it very sticky and very gel type, but it is very good for your skin. You have to apply it on your neck as well, so that your face tone and neck tone will be same. I have applied the mixture all over my face and neck, and now we have to wait for 10-15 minutes. 15 minutes got over and the face pack is dried now. I have to wash my face with water. After 15 minutes, once my face pack got dry, I washed my face with clean water and pat it dry with a towel. I already feel the freshness in my skin, and definitely you have to try this face pack. This aloe vera and turmeric face pack will give you a glowing skin and radiant skin. Since we have added turmeric, it acts as a bleaching agent and it acts as a medicinal agent also. So this face pack is the best face pack for the summer. Thank you so much for watching our video. For more updates, keep watching Boldsky. Bye bye.